Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a piece I've called Lava Flow, and I think you'll understand as soon as you see the color. This is PPG Multi-Pro. This is in Eggshell. It's my go-to pillow paint, especially when I'm wanting to do white. I'm going to actually put some color layers down. This is Iridescence Gold Deep. I have a lot of it. I need to move it off my bench. It's a beautiful paint, but boy, I made a whole ton of it. This is Quinacridone Nickle Gold, otherwise known as QNAG by the people in FluidArt, and it's by Golden. And I just absolutely love this color. It just looks like orange here, but when you get it underneath other colors, it's just a pretty amazing complement. This is Syrah, and this is by TLP. It's a pigment. And if you have any questions, I'd invite you to look at the videos that I have posted. This is Fire Opal by FolkArt. Just drizzling it over the top here. This is my color layer. This is my base color layer. And what we're going to do next is going to be to create some cells. And this Fire Opal is a beautiful color. It's the first time I've used it. Just recently got a bottle of it. It's not the first time. There you go. Here's my cell activator. This is Payne's grade. This is Liquitex. If you have any interest in seeing the cell activator recipe, it's up there now. And this is Naples Yellow, another golden color. Cell activators are mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. Okay, this is TLP Sorbet, and what was not shown was Quinacridone Violet, and that's a beautiful color. This is Golden Nugget by Firedots, and this pigment is amazingly shiny. Okay, I'm gonna do my swipe. I want you to notice how the cells just pop. Happens once in a while, but boy, this one, I just did it immediately. If you have any questions or comments, I'd invite you to leave them in the comments section below. And all the products and everything that I've used here, it will also be down in the description. Okay, stretch it out a little bit. I tried this time to put less pillow paint down to see if I could cut down the amount of waste that I have. What I do with my waste is I collect it in another closed container and use it for my practice pours. It works beautifully, but it's not a problem with it. It's whatever color I've been working with it by the time I'm done. And what I'm doing here is I'm just spreading the paint out just a little bit, get some coverage so that the sides and of the dry part of the round is covered. This is a wood panel. It's a 14-inch round wood panel. I get them on Amazon, and they're inexpensive, and there are a lot of things I can do with them. I'm actually thinking of trying to make this into a clock. So I've got several of them now. It's time to start playing with them. Just spinning them out. And I spin this one for a long time. Trying to do this for 2 reasons: to get the paint off the surface of the painting, and to open up the cells. Okay, it's about time for flyover. Now you're going to notice the cells, big, juicy cells on this one, and you can see why I was thinking lava flow. Really, this piece was a pleasant surprise. I love this piece. Love the interaction of the paints. I love the fact that I got some really very nice cell work on it. Well, if you found this video today useful, I'd invite you to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're not only finding them useful, but enjoying them. So that's it for today. I want to thank you very much for being here and hope to see you again soon. Bye now.